People live on the beautiful and unique planet Earth with its flora and fauna. The intense activity of people on creation of welfare necessary for human come at huge energy consumption and leads to irreversible adverse ecological impact. Recently, humanity comes across with such challenges as climate change, air pollution, water supply deficit, deforestation. These problems have global nature. Everyone uses electric energy. Where does it come from? Nowadays, more than 80% of energy is produced from non-renewable sources. My activity on developing the ways of generation of electric energy from wind energy application is directed at finding solutions for some of that challenges and problems of the modern world. This way is admitted to be the safest and the most forward-looking in comparison with others. It can have a positive impact on the development of energetics in future. Let's consider the main principles of the technology now. Airflow. The rotation of the vertical wind farm is created by airflow, wind power. The aerodynamic shield prevents the adverse impact of the airflow on the rotation of the wind farm and eliminates the noise emission. Aerodynamic shield optimizes and direct air wind flows tangentially to the rotation circle, which increases the efficiency of the wind farm, the leverage effect. Performance doesn't depend on the direction of airflow. The concentration of airflow is created by streamlined structures built in the shape of a flower and forming a building, giving the entire structure of the installation a monolithic architectural form. Cost of wind energy complex will amount to no more than 4–6% of the building cost. Here is comparison of the Vetter wind farm with wind farms of the classic type. Harmony with existing buildings and the environment. The possibility of placement directly in an urban environment. There is no energy loss. Remoteness from inhabited places. Infrastructure costs. Losses of 7% of energy when transmitting over distances. Safety. No noise. Low-speed design ensures noiselessness. There is no infrasound. The presence of intense noise up to 70 dB and infrasound, which has an adverse impact on the nervous system of living creatures. Power generation is possible at wind speeds of 4 meters per second. The possible height of the building is more than 190 meters. The ability to use a gravity energy storage. The possibility of airflow concentration. The larger the area of the blades, the more energy. The airflow direction is carried out along a tangential line to the rotation circle of the blades. Workability doesn't depend on wind direction. Speed of rotation is 4-7 revolutions per minute. Vibrations are excluded. Here is application possibilities. Energetics is ready to make a step into the future. That expression of the experts of the International Forum Technoprom gave the start to the discussion. There is an analogous building, Pearl River Tower, in China, but they provide themselves with 10% of energy. We do 200. It is a great discovery of yours. It needs developing. I think it is a forward-looking line of business. You will definitely get support of the experts who understand what it is and how it can be useful in urban construction, architecture, energy supply, in solving some global technical problems of the modern world. My congratulations, Denise. There is an opening idea which is very well to make a wind stream come inside in the wind stream which flows around the building, which is constructed in a special way, when wherever the wind blows from the wind stream would get into the wind turbine. The rotation passes to the machines and the energy is generated. I am always excited to discuss interesting projects. Keep it up, that is my advice. Keep it up.
Спасибо.
This type of building should be a fairly common system, especially in Southeast Asia, in Dubai, and even in the Moscow city area. So get ready to work energy source. Another thing is that everything needs to be implemented. Your business is becoming very technological today. Now everyone has an opportunity to become a co-owner of the company. You can purchase company shares only on official website. Zero carbon energetically era starts with Ветер project.